In today's hyper-connected world, data security reigns supreme. The digital realm exposes us to unprecedented threats. Our personal information and transactions traverse vast networks, vulnerable to compromise. Encryption is our digital guardian, protecting our privacy and ensuring trust. It shields our data from prying eyes, rendering it incomprehensible to unauthorized actors. Imagine sending a confidential message or financial details across the internet. Encryption transforms this data into an indecipherable code, unreadable without the correct key. This ensures that even if intercepted, the information remains inaccessible. Encryption is the bedrock of online security and privacy. The quest to secure information is not a modern phenomenon. Throughout history, humans have devised ingenious methods to safeguard secrets. From ancient ciphers to the Enigma machines of World War II, the desire to protect sensitive information has driven innovation. Encryption transforms information into an unreadable format, only reversible with the proper key. This involves using algorithms to scramble data, ensuring security. As technology advanced, so did encryption techniques. From simple ciphers to modern cryptography, encryption has evolved to counter threats. Amidst the constantly evolving landscape of encryption technologies, Caplin Encryption emerges as a novel and robust contender. Named after its creator, Dr. Amelia Caplin, a renowned cryptographer, this method has gained significant traction for its unique approach to data security. Caplin Encryption distinguishes itself from traditional methods by employing a dynamic key generation process. Unlike conventional encryption, where the encryption key remains static, Caplin Encryption utilizes a system where the key constantly changes during the encryption process. This dynamic key generation significantly enhances the security of the encrypted data. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces constantly change shape. That's the challenge posed by Caplin Encryption to potential attackers. This dynamic nature makes it incredibly difficult for unauthorized entities to decipher the encrypted information, even if they manage to intercept the data stream. The introduction of Caplin Encryption marks a significant advancement in the field of cryptography. Its unique approach to key management and encryption algorithms provides a robust solution to the ever-growing need for secure data transmission in our increasingly digital world. Caplin Encryption, at its core, relies on a combination of symmetric and asymmetric encryption, creating a hybrid system that leverages the strengths of both approaches. Symmetric encryption, using a single key for both encryption and decryption, offers speed. Asymmetric encryption, using separate keys for encryption and decryption, provides enhanced security. The process begins with the generation of a unique session key, a temporary, randomly generated key used only once. This session key is then encrypted using the recipient's public key, a key that is openly shared. Only the recipient possesses the corresponding private key, ensuring confidentiality. The data itself is encrypted using the session key, ensuring fast and efficient encryption. This two-tiered approach ensures both security and efficiency. The session key, encrypted with the recipient's public key, is securely transmitted. The recipient, using their private key, decrypts the session key, then uses the session key to decrypt the data. This combination makes Caplin Encryption extremely resilient to attacks. Section 5. A stronghold of security advantages of Caplin Encryption. Caplin Encryption boasts several key advantages in data security. Its dynamic key generation makes it resistant to brute force attacks. Using both symmetric and asymmetric encryption ensures speed and security. The session key allows rapid encryption, while asymmetric encryption secures key exchange. Forward secrecy ensures compromised keys can't decrypt past communications. These features make Caplin Encryption ideal for securing sensitive data. Section 6. Caplin Encryption in Action Real-World Applications. Caplin Encryption is vital in today's digital landscape. It secures sensitive data in finance, healthcare, and government. In finance, it protects online transactions and sensitive information. Healthcare providers use it to secure electronic health records. Government agencies rely on it to protect classified information. It secures national security data and critical infrastructure. Section 7. Historical context. The evolution of encryption. The development of Caplin encryption represents another chapter in the long and fascinating history of cryptography. From ancient ciphers to modern encryption algorithms, the quest to secure information has been a constant throughout human history. Ancient civilizations, recognizing the need for secrecy, developed rudimentary encryption methods to protect military communications and diplomatic correspondences. Julius Caesar famously used a simple cipher, shifting letters in the alphabet, to secure messages from his enemies. The invention of the telegraph in the 19th century brought about new challenges and opportunities for encryption. The need to secure communications transmitted over wires led to the development of more sophisticated encryption devices, laying the foundation for modern cryptography. World War II witnessed a surge in cryptographic innovation, with the Enigma machine becoming synonymous with the high-stakes world of code breaking. The Allied forces' success in breaking the Enigma code played a pivotal role in the outcome of the war, highlighting the critical importance of cryptography in global conflicts. Section 8. Comparing Caplin. Contrasting encryption methods. While Caplin encryption offers robust security, it's crucial to understand its position in the broader landscape of encryption methods. Comparing it to other widely used techniques highlights its strengths and potential limitations. Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, a symmetric encryption algorithm, stands as a widely adopted standard, known for its speed and security. Unlike Caplin's dynamic key generation, AES uses a fixed key length, making it potentially vulnerable to brute force attacks with sufficient computing power. RSA, an asymmetric encryption algorithm, is renowned for its use in securing online communications, particularly in establishing secure connections. However, compared to Caplin's hybrid approach, RSA can be computationally expensive, potentially leading to performance bottlenecks in certain applications. Elliptic curve cryptography, or ECC, offers a high level of security with shorter key lengths compared to RSA, making it efficient for resource-constrained devices. However, ECC's complexity can pose challenges in implementation and standardization, potentially limiting its widespread adoption. Section 9. The future landscape of encryption, evolving threats and innovations. As technology continues its relentless advance, so too does the field of encryption. The emergence of quantum computing, with its potential to break existing encryption methods, poses a significant challenge, prompting the development of post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. PQC algorithms are designed to resist attacks from both classical and quantum computers, ensuring the long-term security of encrypted data. Researchers are actively developing and standardizing PQC algorithms to prepare for a future where quantum computers could render current encryption methods obsolete. Furthermore, the increasing use of artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning, or ML, in cybersecurity is shaping the future of encryption. AI and ML algorithms can be used to identify patterns and anomalies in data, potentially leading to more sophisticated attacks on encryption systems. However, AI and ML can also be leveraged to enhance encryption methods. Researchers are exploring the use of AI and ML to develop more robust encryption algorithms, detect vulnerabilities in existing systems, and automate the process of key management. Conclusion: Caplin encryption, a cornerstone of digital trust. In an increasingly interconnected world where data breaches and cyber attacks are constant threats, the importance of robust encryption cannot be overstated. Caplin encryption, with its innovative approach to key management and its hybrid encryption method, stands as a testament to the ongoing quest for secure data transmission. Its ability to safeguard sensitive information in transit makes it an indispensable tool for businesses, governments, and individuals alike. As we navigate an increasingly digital world, the adoption of robust encryption methods like Caplin encryption is paramount to ensure the privacy, security, and trustworthiness of our digital interactions. The future of encryption promises exciting advancements, driven by the constant interplay between evolving threats and innovative solutions. Caplin Encryption, with its strong foundation and adaptability, is well positioned to remain a cornerstone of digital trust, providing the confidence and security needed to thrive in an interconnected world.